you're setting up a junction between your network and an external network such as the Internet. The assumption is that the system you're configuring has at least 2 network cards, and each of the network cards is configured on different networks. Furthermore, when you enable routing, it has to be enabled both in the kernel and in routing tables. Separate steps are required if you're routing on IP version 4 and IP version 6 addresses. If you want to enable routing in the kernel, you need to enable it in one or both of the first 2 files. These are Boolean files. In other words, the value is either 0 or 1. 0 is disabled, 1 is enabled. For example, this tells me that IP version 4 routing is currently disabled in the kernel. The easiest way to enable it into the kernel is with the echo 1 redirect to that file command. And now routing is enabled for IP version 4 addressing in the kernel. Similarly, for IP version 6 addressing, you need to change the Boolean of the associated configuration file. And the same technique works here. IP version 6 addressing now includes forwarding in the kernel. But these changes won't survive a reboot unless you add these settings to the etc/syscontrol.conf file. This enables IP version 4 forwarding or routing. Forwarding and routing are effectively the same thing. This enables IP version 6 forwarding or routing.